Welcome to my unboxing video of the BeamBox Pro. This is the laser cutter that I've added to my family of cutting machines, and I'm really excited to show you everything that this machine can do. This is just a quick video to show you what happens when you purchase one of these and what's inside the box. So stay tuned, and if you want to know a bit more about this laser cutter and why I chose this over the popular glowforge, I have linked a video in the iCard and also in the description below, and you can go ahead and check that out too.